Creative Fabrica starts their Mother's Day promo. Let me show you what they are offering. You can have unlimited yearly access just for $47. You can see the regular price is $348. And this promotion is going to last until 12th of May. You can also have free daily bundles during the promotion, and if you don't want to subscribe for yearly plan, you have another options. You can sign up for free trial and you can have 10 free downloads. You can see on this page. You can decide what kind of files you want to download, but my suggestion is to download 10 bundles because you can use those files forever. And if you don't know what Creative Fabrica offers, you can see they've got ton of files. They've got fonts. You can see the different type of fonts. They've got PNG files. They've got graphics. And here you can find everything. If you're doing KDP, just go on KDP interiors and you can see all type of interiors. You can check and download them. You can go on illustrations, on coloring books. You've got 3D, Spark, this is creation tools. Here you can write text or descriptions. If you're doing Etsy, you can write description for your products. You've got crafts, needlework, tools. You've got print on demand options. When you go on print on demand, you can use those files how they are. You don't need to change them, but anyway, my suggestion is always change the files because you're not the only person that you download these files and it's going to be duplicate content. So let me show you the free bundles, the first part of the free bundles. So not this one. This one is, you can see here how long the free bundles will last. You've got 19 days more to download this bundle. And also I will link all the bundles and the other links down below in the description if you're interested to check them. So let's check this bundle. This is Mother's Day files, Mother's Day SVG designs. You can see here different files and you can use those files on t-shirts, mugs and so many other products. The second one is font bundle. You can see different fonts. This Infinity is very nice and this is the separate fonts. You can check them. Hello Mua is also very nice. This one is very nice as well. And when you open the file, let's open the file in separate window. You can see here how this font looks on different products. You can see on tote bag, on t-shirt, and anyway, it's a lots of fonts. You can use them for your needs. So the next one is also Mother's Day PNG, SVG and ESP files, 40 bundles, and here you can see the bundles. There are different types. You've got mom, Mother's Day, doc mom, funny doc mom. Let's open this one to check. You can see the different designs. Doc mama, rescue mama. This is doc related. And if you download this bundle, this is the last one. 40 clip arts. And here you can see what kind of clip arts you're gonna receive. You've got summer. You've got another happy summer. Summer watermelon, tropical summer vacation, sea turtle clip art. So it's a lot of things. And I also will add the next bundles down below in the description when they are live. So I think that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, click the subscribe button, notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Take advantage on this promo. I will update the links down below in the description. So if you're interested in Creative Fabrica, take advantage and get subscription or sign up for free trial. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.